Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Suzanna. Welcome to today's video. In today's video guys, I'll be showing you how to make a spray bottle, like mostly hairspray bottles. Okay, so please, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please make sure to subscribe to the channel. Make sure to share the video to your friends. Make sure to like, make sure to comment. Please subscribe, okay? Subscribe. So today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a spray bottle, like turning a water bottle into a spray bottle, because I found out that instead of moving around in shops looking for a spray bottle for hair, like for wetting hair, mostly when you want to comb and you don't have a spray bottle, it will be hard for you to comb the hair. Okay, so just a simple hack, okay, just one hack to share with you. Okay, so we have a water spray bottle here. It has water already. Okay, it has water, you can see that. So we are going to turn it into a spray bottle, whereby when you press like this, the water pours down so that you can use it easily. It's just a simple hack. Okay, so guess what we're going to use? We're going to use this soft pin. This is how it looks like. So from down here is very sharp. So I'm going to share with you. You prick it and then you remove it. You have to keep on pricking it. You have to put the walls on top of this, so like the way I'm doing it. You have to prick it again ndani, okay? Get inside, then you remove it again. So ta-da! That's water, okay? So it is easy, okay? You can see the water pouring, like just like a spray bottle. When you're using a spray bottle also, but the other one is different. Like you press it, come shake, but this one is just a simple one, okay? Because the other day I moved around morning. Started around morning. I went to the Pick Mart. I did not find a spray bottle. Okay, I found another different types of spray bottles which are not good like to use. They are so big. I wanted a smaller one, so I couldn't find it. I went again to Naivas. I did not find it, and I was like, come on now, we would have to move and just look for a simple thing whereby I can do it by myself. Okay, so just turning a water bottle into a spray bottle is just a simple act, just very simple. Okay, so with this one you can use it to wet your hair, mostly when you're combing it, or maybe when you're putting a treatment, or maybe when you're laying your edges, or maybe when you're doing any other thing. And then spraying the flowers when you have that front door flowers. So you can just use this one for spraying the water in it, because it is very easy. Just shh. Okay, so just simple as that. Okay, yes, that's just what I wanted to share with you today. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe, and then share to your friends. like, comment, please subscribe, subscribe, and then I will see you on the next video, on which is gonna be on Monday. I will be uploading videos every Monday and every Saturday. Okay, so make sure you stay tuned and stick to Suzanna. Okay, I'll see you on the next video. Happy weekend.